come along, meandering through them trees. But if I come along, I might sing a song and we might not know what it means. But them big long tracks, you're bringing them back, and everyone will certainly hail. You are the honorary president of Railroad Enthusiasm Thunder Lake Lumber Company. Now starting out, there is no doubt that everyone is glad you were swallowed in ponds for all this time that would make anybody mad. Hauling on logs of a big wet bog, you never have to be unknown because of the honorary president of Railroad Enthusiasm Thunder Lake Lumber Company. Thunder Lake Lumber Company for me, Thunder Lake Lumber Company for you, Thunder Lake Lumber Company you'll see, Thunder Lake Lumber Company it's true, Thunder Lake Lumber Company for me, Thunder Lake Lumber Company for you, and the honorary president of Railroad Enthusiasm Thunder Lake Lumber Company. Halfway home it's chilly cold, snow is piling high, moving old logs over frozen bogs, nobody really knows why. I know a man, I know he can shed some inquiring beans. He's the honorary president of Railroad Enthusiasm Thunder Lake Lumber Company. Thunder Lake Lumber Company for me, Thunder Lake Lumber Company for you, Thunder Lake Lumber Company you'll see, Thunder Lake Lumber Company it's true, Thunder Lake Lumber Company for me, Thunder Lake Lumber Company for you, the honorary president of Railroad Enthusiasm Thunder Lake Lumber Company. Arrived in record time, uncovering buried steel and wooden beams. You know what it means, and you might know how it feels. Scattered on maps or hidden tracks that never had to be unknown. Thanks to the honorary president of Railroad Enthusiasm Thunder Lake Lumber Company. Thunder Lake Lumber Company for me, Thunder Lake Lumber Company for you, Thunder Lake Lumber Company you'll see, Thunder Lake Lumber Company it's true, Thunder Lake Lumber Company for me, Thunder Lake Lumber Company for you, are the honorary president of Railroad Enthusiasm. You find the tracks, but someone had to lose them. You're the honorary president of Railroad Enthusiasm Thunder Lake Lumber Company.